Yes, indeed. Let's go, baby. Another exciting moment for Smart Shine Cleaning Co. Hey! It's another package, fast and free delivery. Shout out to Prime. Shout out to Amazon. About to open up this package here and show you guys what I just received. So I'll record this too at the same time because I'm here breaking the seal. Open. I will go ahead now and proceed onto my foam cannon. Yes, indeed. Let's go, baby. And this is where it starts. This is it right here. This is it. I got this bad boy for an update. I am so excited because that kind of now brings another level to my pressure washing game. Yes, the most important part for certain projects now is in, so it is a fact. It is ready to go.